these are the ingredients to make a healthy soup. All the healthy ingredients have been included in it. These are some breadcrumbs. These are fresh tomatoes, which are a little bit sweeter in taste. Moving on, this is butter, bay leaf, mint leaf, freshly cut ginger, oregano seasoning, some corn flour to thicken our soup, salt, that's normal salt, black salt, black pepper, and some sugar. So now you can see these ingredients are very healthy. You can also add some cream if you want a creamy flavor in your soup. Our water is boiled. You can see it's rolling, boiling. So that's the kind of water I wanted. Now switch off the flame and just add your tomatoes. See that all the tomatoes should be merged properly. Like this. Just keep on adding them. And that's it. So just cover this with the lid and allow these tomatoes to be immersed in this water for 20 to 25 minutes so that the blanching process can start. So guys, after 20 to 25 minutes, the blanching process has happened. I have removed my tomatoes from the water and this is how you can see it will peel off automatically. Now, so blanching is basically removal of the tomato skin in a soft manner. See, a proper tomato has come out and now I need to put the tomatoes directly to my grinder. Here goes all the tomatoes in my mixer grinder. I'll grind them and make a smooth paste without any clumps. Okay friends, my pan is hot. I'll melt some butter. Time to add bay leaf and chopped garlic. See, I melted my butter, put it one bay leaf and some chopped garlic and then sauteed them for around 6 seconds. After my bay leaf and garlic was cooked properly, I added this puree and I'm now stirring it well, and I have added around 1 cup of water to this because it was very thickened. And now I'll add my salt, all my masala which I've shown prior, pepper, oregano, little of sugar, corn flour paste I have made already with the help of water. I'll add this after 5 minutes once my soup is boiling a little bit, and this is how you make a tomato soup. Time to add both the salts, the normal and the black salt. So you can take the salt quantity as per your taste. I have taken 1 big tablespoon of salt. Then you need to add some pepper to this. Sprinkle some sugar. Sugar is around 1 big tablespoon. And add your oregano seasoning. So you can increase the oregano seasoning as per your taste, and you can also increase your pepper as per your taste. Now allow it to cook on a lower flame for 5 to 7 minutes. The soup has come to a gentle boil. Time to add your corn flour mixed in water to thicken the soup. Because it has already settled down, you need to add this with the help of your spoon. So you can put some in it and there you go. Now cook this soup till it is thickened to the consistency that you are looking in your tomato soup. I have not used onions because I wanted it to be a fresh tomato soup. You can add onions while you are sauteing your garlic. You can saute onions together, and you can also add carrots and other vegetables to this kind of soup. Just boil them and blend them together with your tomatoes. So now allow it to thicken on a lower flame, and once you see the proper consistency, Just switch off the flame and your tomato soup will be ready. A perfect soup is ready to serve. So